Proverbs 16,
Verses 1 to 16.
verse 1 to 6, 1 to 16. Okay.
Chapter 16,
Proverbs 16, 1 to 16.
1 to 16.
Responsible ito mga kapatid.
Okay.
Verse 10.
Verse 1, the preparation of the heart in man, in the answer of the tongue is from the Lord.
All
All the ways of a man are clean in his own eyes, but the Lord weigheth his ways.
Commit thy works unto the Lord, in thy thoughts shall be established.
The Lord hath made all things for himself, yea, even the wicked for the day of evil.
Everyone that is proud in heart is an abomination to the Lord. To the joy the hand she not be unpunished.
By mercy and truth iniquity is first, and by the fear of the Lord men depart from evil.
When a man ways please the Lord, he maketh even his enemies to be the peace with him.
Better is a little with righteousness than great revenues without right.
A man's heart did beset this way, but the Lord directed his steps.
A device ends is in the lips of the king, his mouth transgresseth not in judgment.
A just weight and balance are the Lord's, all the weights of the bag are his work.
It is an abomination to kings to commit wickedness, for the throne is established by righteousness.
13. Righteous lips are the delight of kings, and they love him that speaketh right.
The wrath of a king is as messenger of death, but a wise man will pacify it.
In the light of the king, countenance in life, in his favor as a cloud of the later rain.
Okay? How much better is it to get wisdom than gold, and to get understanding rather be chosen than silver.